Hello everyone. Now that we're nearing the end of the third quarter of the year, I wanted to give you a brief state of the organization update on our initiatives and plans as we approach fiscal year 2023. We have so much to celebrate and so much to look forward to in the upcoming year. When Jen and I did our playbook session, we talked about all the projects we would be working on to achieve our strategic priorities and objectives. I am proud to report we've already made some great strides towards achieving our goals. The new resident program. Our new resident program launched earlier this year, and our job now is to make sure the word gets out. Our team is working on a Train the Trainer session with nonprofit organizations that direct new residents to our offices, as well as developing additional training for our HCTC team. It is our hope that these efforts will result in a more prepared customer and reduces the number of visits a new resident must make to our office to complete their transaction. The new queuing and reservation system. Our new queuing and reservation system, Queuematic, is up and running. We are still working through some enhancements to make the system the best it can be. Our next step in this project is to review the intake process and the flow of customer traffic to really optimize the new system. This is an ongoing initiative that we will continue to refine. I am grateful to have such an amazing team working to make this a success. I appreciate all of you for your flexibility, your feedback, and your openness to new ways of doing business. Cybersecurity. The security of our data and information is one of my top priorities as tax collector. It is vital that we continue to improve our technology to keep pace with our industry's best practices. Technology is constantly changing, and so are compliance requirements, so it is important that we consistently seek out innovative solutions to these changes and challenges. We will be introducing a new application called Hyper at HCTC, so we can comply with password and multi-factor authentication requirements, all in one easy step. Hyper is highly secure and is being used by some of the top companies in the world. It allows the user to hold the private keys to their identity so that no data is collected by the application or the organization. Lowering ceilings in our Brandon and Drew Park locations. If you've visited our Brandon or Drew Park offices, you know how loud it can get in those lobbies, especially when it's raining. This is because these locations currently have an open ceiling industrial concept, so one of our approved projects for this year is to lower the ceilings of these locations. Brandon's ceilings will be lowered first. We anticipate construction to take place in December. Much of the work will take place over the weekend, but it will require that we close the office for a week. Once Brandon wraps up, we will schedule the construction of Drew Park's new ceiling. This one's a little more challenging with the plane, but we're definitely keeping it. So stay tuned for more details later this year. PSOC, also known as Public Safety Operations Complex. We have officially relocated our data equipment and servers to the county's Public Safety Operations Complex, known as PSOC. This is a state-of-the-art 52,000 square foot facility that serves as the county government's center to monitor, prepare, and respond to emergencies and public safety incidents. PSOC houses the county's primary data center and now is the tax collector's primary data center. The main building is constructed to withstand 200 mile/hour Category 5 hurricane force winds with thick concrete walls and impact-resistant windows and doors. The complex can maintain operations for days after a major storm, independent of outside utilities such as electric, water, and sewer. This was a tremendous undertaking to ensure the safety and security of our data and information, protecting the tax collector's office and the taxpayers we serve. I am extremely proud of our team for making this major improvement to the protection of our data infrastructure a reality. North Tampa Expansion Project. We finally have a lease agreement. The lease went before the Board of County Commissioners for approval on September 21st. The goal is to expand our existing North Tampa office by another 5,000 square feet, adding more lobby space and additional customer service windows. We also want to ensure we align the look and feel of this office to match our other locations for a consistent experience. We anticipate the expansion will begin in early of 2023. We will continue to keep you updated as we develop a construction timeline for this project. Employee wages and benefits update. And last but certainly not least, I am happy to announce that the Department of Revenue has approved our fiscal year 2023 budget, including a proposed cost of living adjustment and merit increases. All employees will receive a 4.5% cost of living increase beginning on your October 21st paycheck. As a reminder, merit increases are issued in February of each year based on your annual calendar year performance review. Merit increase guidelines will roll out later this year in the Total Rewards Plan on Infonet, outlining merit increase amounts in February 2023. And regarding your health insurance, I am happy and pleased to announce you will see no increase in your health insurance costs for 2023. We negotiated a 3% increase with United Healthcare with no plan changes. But wait, there is more great news about this year's health insurance benefits. I'm proud to inform you the office will be absorbing the entire cost of the increase, which means you will not pay more for health insurance for you and your families. This is a great accomplishment considering the rising cost of healthcare over the past 2 years due to the pandemic. More information about health insurance and other benefits will be shared during our open enrollment in November. As I've mentioned before, I will always work hard to provide you with fair and competitive pay and affordable health benefits for our entire team. I can't say this enough. Thank you. Thank you to our amazing team. Thank you for your commitment, support, and your dedication to the Tax Collector's Office. I hope you have a great day.